Many people associate PTP seminars with a tax-based lecture program, and whilst a good number of our lectures are tax, it's also important to make sure that people are updated as far as accounting and audit is concerned each year. It is, after all, the fundamentals of what many of our subscribers do actually do. And this year, over the next few months, our annual accounting and audit update will be being run in 14 venues across the United Kingdom by Guy Loveday. Guy, an awful lot of things to talk about still in accounting. And of course, one of the big topics that people always want to know about is, what do I have to disclose in terms of the shareholder directors? And that's quite a big part of your course this year.
Yeah, that's right. The FRS 102 has been changed to give an exemption for primarily interest-free loans from director shareholders to small companies. So we'll be looking at the mechanics, because it's not that straightforward, the mechanics of that process and what happens when these small companies have the audacity to grow out of the small company regime.
And of course, directors often end up being involved in the related parties note as well, which I know is another thing that will be considered in this course.
Well, it's causing a lot of problems. People don't want personal transactions in the accounts these days, because if they're in the accounts, they're going to be there in the public domain. So we'll be looking at what really has to be disclosed as regards transactions with directors. And we'll also be looking, which I think is really practical, at some of the ways of avoiding disclosure of sensitive transactions that clients really don't want to disclose.
So make sure that you are doing your job right for your clients by meeting up with Guy at various venues around the United Kingdom, as I say, in the next 2 or 3 months. And you will get all of this information. And then also those of you who are still involved in audit, Guy will always spend 15 to 20 minutes at the end just looking at the fundamental things that are changing or that need to be considered as far as audit's concerned in 2019. Full information available via the website, www.ptptraining.com, or contact the office on the information on screen now.